Hungry, mash me up, man.
Good morning, me hungry?
Good morning. You have chocolate milk?
Yes, we have.
Alright, so Puru need 3 chocolate milk.
Okay, let me check if you can get this 3. Hold on a second.
Chocolate milk. Then I go and check to see if milk there. Chocolate milk are the best milk they ever have.
Hello?
Dana.
I'm finished. Sorry, I just...
What?
None of the day. We just sell the last one.
You know what kind of cloud that come over the sky now? Some black cloud there.
I'm so sorry.
So what
Go and make it there. You want me to call you back when it's ready? So the black cloud gone then, right?
No.
Alright, me call you when it's ready.
Alright. Big up yourself.
Alright.
You know, I just feel like say today is a day for just go beach. Well, like evening par. Look like rain gonna fall now. Just a check to see if the rain not gonna fall, but it's alright. So I'm gonna go to the beach. So I bubble rifle on the internet. Now I get this bridge in here. And if you want, come on the beach. On the way to the beach.
On the way to chocolate milk.
Yes, so we did make a call earlier to get some chocolate milk and can't be no better than that. They can't get no better than a chocolate milk right now. So we kinda hungry too, so we're gonna go and make hungry. Get some food. So let's do this. You can call Brady straight to me because you know where I'm going with him.
Yo,
How are you there?
damn yeah, I'm just fucking forward.
Yeah, do what?
Damn yeah, I'm like the fucking forward, damn yeah. Yeah man, the show by that game man.
Ah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're there. Don't forget with chocolate milk, because I'm in trouble.
I'm not going there with 3 chocolate milk. Take it back, please. How much 100 baht?
My chocolate milk. It's all. So this is a beverage now. I will go to heaven for this. 3 of them right now. Ready?
What else we getting?
Yeah, I got a Bob Marley just got a fresh out.
Yeah, I am here. Puru, where you come, yeah? Did you change? Hold on. Check my edition.
Yeah, with singing. Singing.
For the world, that. Yeah, man, go tell the world that.
Yeah, we're there with singing.
Yeah, man. Musical thing.
Yeah. Yo, chocolate milk, yeah, man. Let me just feel like I start over life. Come like we mess up this thing, yeah. The traffic on the road. It's not nice. The road is rough in Jamaica. Rough road, man. Traffic looking a little bit better. I'm not sure if I'm gonna reach the beach on time. But I hope I can get a nice sunset beach set here. Whoa, pothole! Go Basso! Yo,
Yeah.
you ready?
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Alright, next time I call you, just come through the gate. Come outside, because I know see this is going on.
Alright, I come outside more. So I look outside, when I see no, I look up, look left, right, no Puru. I go back inside like me gate, me and send me yard today.
Yeah, lose my spliff. Yo,
Please go for split, please.
Yo, lose my spliff.
Go for it.
Yo, you know my
Go for split, please. See Kevin ready. Kevin have all in food and in split. Boss, split head.
Leave me.
And then you're just trusting out people. That's what you just come here for.
Alright, man, yo, you're not forward.
I'm full of stuff, man.
No, man, yo, where are the man?
Really? You still want to touch on right now?
Yeah.
Fast. Feel like Leyland. Fast, you know? Watch it, watch it. Box on.
Yeah, officially reach. Latest, you know. Latest. Because when I get the sun gone down, still what? The light's still there. So we just go easy, you know. Yeah! Beach is real. It's a nice day at the beach, you know. We didn't get the sunset because we make it kind of late-ish. I make a couple stops on the traffic. It was crazy, yo. So, vibe still nice. Music I play on the beach and we just have a little one tourist there. It's the mosquito them or the sunfly, whatever them is. Woo!
I'm floating. I'm swimming floating.
Now them some your brother, if I give them a chance. Bro, and the mosquito them here, them here sunfly, the sea version. This are mosquito, they are Portmore. Them interbreed. But guess them one are straight sunfly.
Festival.
Hot.
You think of fish drink? Think of fish drink?
Hot.
Fish tea.
Alright, let's get to business.
That's the problem.
See car.
I never heard that being called con. Okay.
You know, you just see the time and me there my yard and now let off my virgin them and make my way home, reach home, batch exhausted. Oh no.